Hi! Today we are going to demonstrate how to make a Chirashi sushi dinner. The word Chirashi means scattered. Basically, it is assorted fish and vegetables over sushi rice. This dish is very similar to donburi, which is a rice bowl dish with many varieties.
So now it's time to plate our Chirashi dinner. We've started with 280 grams of sushi rice. In a bowl, we've sprinkled some sesame seeds over the top. And then we're going to lay our assorted sashimi on top of the rice. First, to give it a little height, we're going to, instead of using shredded daikon like we normally use for our sashimi appetizers, we're going to be using a little hiyashi wakame to put the tuna on top of. So it gives it a little more of a three-dimensional height to it and will be more aesthetically pleasing this way.
Here is our plated Chirashi sushi dinner. We have some tamago, spot prawns or ama ebi, sake, hamachi, ika with some salmon roe, mackerel or saba, taco, albacore, as well as a couple slices of maguro served on top of a little bit of hiyashi wakame. We've garnished it with kaiware daikon sprouts.